Well, kia ora everybody. Now look, to be able to go live from the new GoPro Hero 7, we need to get what's known as an RTMP page. I think that's real-time messaging protocol or something. Essentially, it's some computer jargon that means it cock blocks us from going live from the GoPro to one of our pages. So go to your page here, go up to the top to Publishing Tools. Click on that bad boy. Once you've got that open, it's going to bring open a whole bunch of options. Click on Video Library. Go down to there, over to the live option, click that, and bada bing, bada boom, you're going to get what's known as an RTMP code. Now, really important here is there's these options here. Make sure you click the second one. This locks these codes so they never change on you again. I'm then going to go through, copy each one. I'm going to put them in my notes here, guys. Get that first one, go to the second one, copy that. Next one up, boom. These are in my notes, and then I'll jump over now and show you how to go live from the page. So it's real easy from here, guys. What you want to do is just copy and paste from your notes on your phone, close that down, open up the GoPro app, log into your Hero 7. We're going to scroll over to the live option, set up live, but we're going to click on RTMP, set up the live. Then it's going to give us the option. Once it's connected to the Wi-Fi, you can see the option there. We just paste that in, pick the resolution that you want to shoot in. I always click save the copy, and then we go live. Simple as, easy guys. And that's it. So hope that kind of helped you out a bit there. Good luck everybody.